Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope it's all doing good. I hope it's all doing fine. So today guys, we're doing another review and straight away I am not happy. I'm not happy. I'm just saying. So we are doing the Blue Dragon sweet chili and prawn noodles. There's supposed to be 400 grams in here. I didn't weigh it before, but I'm going to weigh it now. I am, because I can tell you something now, there's not 400 grams in here. Even before when it was frozen. Definitely not. I stand corrected. 429. I stand corrected. But, so I cooked it from frozen. I cooked it in the microwave. I did. And when I opened it up, I was like, what is that? Look at that. Look, it's... I'm sorry, but... I was like, that. I can't. Don't get it wrong. It's over the weight. I'll give them that. But... I was like, that has to be wrong. It has to be wrong. So you get in here, obviously your noodles. You do. Prawns. Veg, you get carrots, spring onion, peppers, all of the good stuff in there. I'll try and give you a better look. There you go. Better look for you, because you can't really see it there. And I'll show you the weight. It went down in weight. I don't know how I was on that. But yeah, 422 there was 429 before. So there you go. Right, so let's give this a whirl. Let's give this a whirl. I was a bit worried. I was a bit worried. That there wasn't going to be enough sauce, but there's plenty of sauce. Postman's just been. I don't like postman. Let's have a try of the prawn. You know me, I love my noodles, and I love as many noodles as I can get. So for me, this just, I don't know, it doesn't seem enough. But it's kept its weight. It's kept its weight. So I can't fault them on that. It's kept its weight compared to the other ones I've done. It has. So it just goes to show you can keep the weight of it without robbing the customers. Just saying, supermarkets, take note. Take note. If a big company like Blue Dragon can do it, they can do it. They can. Oh, dropping me veg. Oh, my veg doesn't want to be eaten today. It doesn't want to be eaten today. Doesn't want to be eaten today. Are you kidding me? Are we going to have a fight? We're going to have a fight. It's very saucy. You get plenty of sauce. Just needs a bit more noodles, but that's just my preference. I love noodles, as you know. Or if you're new here, I love noodles. I do. Oh, nothing wants to get on my bloody book. I forgot to say, I counted the prawns before, and there's 7 prawns in there. You have plenty of veg. You do. Plenty of sauce. I mean, look at all that veg. You just don't get enough noodles, in my eyes. Could do with more noodles. Wonder what kind of noodles these are. The noodles are al dente. But I suppose that's a good thing, because then they won't go mushy. No, with them being frozen. Just needs more noodles in there. Like I see, it kept it sweet, which I was really surprised because I see when I opened it up like halfway through cooking and stirred it, I was like, you have got to be joking me. But it kept it sweet. Just need more noodles. So that one is, I think it's again, let's have a look. Where were we? £4 for this. £4. Aye. I would have expected the pizza one to be more expensive because with it being duck. But that one was £4. Is it worth £4? No. That one should have been cheaper. The duck one should have been more expensive. Yeah. Not worth £4. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. I'm being generous with that one because the weight was spot on. It was actually more. But to me, I think that's due to the sauce. That the sauce gave it the extra weight. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's not worth the £4. But if you get three for £10, that's what I got. This is the second one. I'll be doing the third one in another time. Yeah. £4, not worth the money. But hey ho. What do we do? We'll move on. 8 out of 10. I did enjoy it. Will I have to have something to eat before I go to work? Again, yes, I will. But seeing that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Let us know if you've tried these before. Let us know what you think. But that's my honest opinion. The Blue Dragon sweet chili prawn noodles. At least I kept it sweet. Bye, guys.